If you're thinking about selling your home, you have probably wondered what upgrades actually worth the money. And here's what you need to know. The right upgrades can help you sell faster and for more money. The wrong ones can waste your budget and turn off buyers. Let me show you the difference. A lot of home sellers think a big kitchen redo is the way to go, but the numbers say something different. According to NerdWallet Canada, small kitchen updates like new countertops, fixtures, and cabinet paint can return up to 100% of what you spend. A full gut job, you will get back a lot less. The projects that pay off the most are often the simplest. A fresh coat of paint, a clean front yard, new lighting fixtures, and updated hardware can change how a home feels. Curb appeal projects are returning well over 100% right now. That means you will get back more than you put in. Inside the home, focus on small kitchen updates like countertops and cabinet fronts. Not a full tear out. Small and smart beats the big and expensive every time. If you want to know which upgrades make more sense for your home, I can help. Call or text me and let's make a plan that gets you the best return.